It's a horrific scene that we had to process through. You know, it's tough on all of us that are going through this.
Police in Seneca Falls say they're dealing with a tough child abuse case. A mother and stepfather accused of assaulting a 3-year-old boy, leaving him critically hurt. And we've just learned from court papers that describe him, sadly, as unresponsive with no brain activity.
Right now, the toddler is on life support at Upstate University Hospital here in Syracuse.
Now, police say the abuse happened in Seneca Falls in an apartment on Peterman Road. Initially, there were reports of a child falling down the stairs, but the police investigated and learned more. They now say the boy's injuries were not consistent with a fall.
These are the suspects, Donald Bovio and Allison, both 38. Our cameras were rolling when Donald walked into a family court today.
Did you hurt your stepson? Do you feel remorseful?
Yes, I do.
Now, police tell us he has an extensive criminal history.
In 2014, Bovio was arrested in Massachusetts for strangling his girlfriend and trying to carve a design into her stomach. He was originally charged with attempted murder. Those charges were reduced to assault and battery. Bovio pled guilty, received a 2.5-year sentence with 4 years probation. Now, his probation ended in March of this year. Police say he just moved to New York within the past 2 months.
We have team coverage for you tonight. Our Victoria Carmen is near where the couple lived in Seneca Falls as neighbors react. First, our Mary Keeler begins our team coverage tonight. She's been talking to investigators and is live tonight outside the Seneca Falls Town Court. Mary.
Megan, tonight a 3-year-old boy is fighting for his life after his mother and stepfather were arrested and arraigned here at Town of Seneca Falls Court, accused of brutally beating the toddler. Did you hurt your stepson? Do you feel remorseful?
Yes, I do.
38-year-old Donald Bovio was escorted out of Seneca County Court after a family court appearance and into a Seneca County Sheriff's van, shackled in handcuffs. This after he and his wife Allison Bovio were arrested and charged with assaulting a 3-year-old boy, his stepson, and her biological child.
I am under the understanding that the injuries are grave and the charges against Mr. Bovio may be enhanced.
Our cameras were not allowed in the courtroom, but I was inside where Donald Bovio stood emotionless before a judge.
He's in shock over what's happening. He's overwhelmed. This event for him started about Sunday, and he's been involved with law enforcement pretty much continuously since then. And he's very much overwhelmed.
Court documents we obtained today show that the couple is accused of repeatedly hitting the child with a belt, knocking him to the ground where he hit his head, leaving him with bleeding on the brain, unable to breathe on his own, and on life support. The Seneca Falls police chief says Donald Bovio called 911, saying the child fell down a flight of stairs. When authorities got to their Seneca Falls apartment, they found him unresponsive. Investigators and emergency responders on the case say it's been a tough few days.
I've had to deal with some pretty big violent crimes and murder cases, and this will be the first child case that I've had to deal with. I just had to review 45 photos taken from at the hospital just now, and it took a little bit to go through those.
Tonight, the child is still in critical condition at Upstate University Hospital in Syracuse, and he is now in custody of the county. Now, the police chief here in Seneca Falls says that the couple's charges could get more enhanced, including murder, perhaps, if this little boy's condition gets worse or changes in any way. Live in Seneca Falls, I'm Mary Keeler.
Even the police and the prosecutors feeling the emotion of this case, Mary.